Hello, dear students. I am Dr. Prajna Mattihalli, working in Government First Grade College, Dharwad, Karnataka. I would like to solve some simple interest problems and explain you the skill or tactics of solving it so that you can enjoy simple interest problems. Let us first look into the problem. Here, two equal sums are lent and the rate of interest, that is R, is 18% and 17%. And in both the situations, we are observing that the amount is 20,240. It is the same, but the n or the time period is varying. In earlier case, it is 6 months earlier, and in the latter case, it is 6 months later. So 6 months is equal to 0.5 year, half year or 0.5 year. So we have to analyze what is given in the problem and what should be calculated. So first let us understand. P is not known, so we have to calculate it. Let us keep it as P only. And let us take the A is equal to 20,240, which is given in the problem for both the cases. And R is to be considered 17% and 18%. And N has to be considered in later case as N. And in earlier case is 6 months earlier. So N minus 0.5. Now the formula which should be used is amount formula. Therefore, we have to consider the amount formula, that is A is equal to P, in the bracket it is 1 plus Ni. Dear students, I don't know whether you have understood I or not. What is this I? You know what is R, that is rate of interest. For example, 18% and 17%. 18%, 18 divided by 100. Here I becomes 0.18. That is 18 upon 100 is equal to 0.18. Similarly, for another case, 17% means 0.17. 17 upon 100 is equal to 0.17 is the I. So we have to form one equation here. In both the cases, we have to consider the formula and write down the equation. And since 20,240 is common in both the cases, P is common in both the cases, we can neglect them. So those elements which are common in both the cases can be neglected and rest of the things should be considered. What are those? That is, in one case it is 1 plus 0.18 n, and the thing is we have to multiply that. What is 20,240 is equal to P, in the bracket it is 1 plus n minus 0.5 into 0.18 Ni. So 18 into 5 is 0.09. Here minus sign is there for 0.5. Therefore the answer becomes minus 0.09. And in second case, P in the bracket 1 plus n into 0.17. Here 0.17 n, and the answer becomes now 1 plus 0.18 n minus 0.09 is equal to 1 plus 0.17 n. Now we have to take n to one side and the known numbers to the other side. Before that, see here 1 plus 0.18 n minus 0.09. In these three numbers, two numbers do not have n, so they can be added or subtracted. So here 1 and minus 0.09. The answer is 0.91. 1 minus 0.09 becomes 0.91 plus 0.18 n. Now you have to take n, in which n are there to one side of the equation and the known numbers to the other side of the equation. Therefore, it becomes 0.18 n minus 0.17 n is equal to 1 minus 0.91. Now, what is the answer? 18 minus 17, that is 0.01 n is equal to, here 1 minus 0.91. The answer is 0.09. Now n is equal to 0.09 divided by 0.01. Therefore, n is equal to 9 years. Here n is the time period for second case. For the first case, it is n minus 0.5. That means 9 minus 0.5. So, in first case, it becomes 8.5. So, 8.5 years in first case and 9 years in the second case. This is the time period. Now, the calculated time period has to be put in any of the equations for calculating the P. Now, we have to calculate the principal. For that, we have to have one equation. Any of the cases we have to take, and we have to apply the formula once again, and we have to calculate the P. So, in first case, let us consider A is equal to 20,240, and you know that is R is equal to 18%, and N is, that is N minus 0.5. That means 8.5 years. Now P is to be calculated. Therefore, apply the formula. 20,240 is equal to P bracket 1 plus N into I. N 8.5 into I, that is 0.18. And the answer is 20,240 is equal to P in bracket, it is 1 plus 1.53. So it is 2.53 in the bracket. Now keep the P in one side and take 2.53 to the other side. So it becomes 20,240 divided by 2.53. And the answer is 8,000. What is this? Principal amount. This is the amount lent out. In both the cases, P are same. Therefore, it is 8,000. So, calculated amount is principal rupees 8,000, and time period is also calculated. That is, for the first case, it is 8.5 years, and the second case, it is 9 years. Dear students, I hope you have understood how to solve it, and I have given you a similar problem for your solution. Please try this problem. It is very closer to the earlier problem, and if you solve on your own, you feel satisfied and you can enjoy the solution. So you feel contented that I have got the capacity of solving the simple interest problems. Dear students, for some more problems, look for my videos and give me the suggestions for improvement. Let us togetherly understand and enjoy simple interest, which is the part of commercial arithmetic.